Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome to the Nourishing Traditions, and today I just want to talk about the 3 steps to detoxification. Number 1 is keeping your elimination routes open and do the preparatory work for it. For example, you have to be pooping, peeping, and using your saunas, gyms to keep working out to keep the sweat coming. So these are the elimination routes which have to be prepped before we go on a real detox. Otherwise, you would just be moving your toxins from one organ to another organ in your body. In order to do a liver cleanse or a kidney cleanse, your elimination routes should be open, properly working. You should be pooping thrice or twice a day. Our liver does 500 jobs in a day, and around 700,000 to 2 million toxins are removed every day from liver. And colon is the organ where the liver is dumping all the toxins. So if the colon's not eliminating the poop out, definitely we're just dumping the toxins in the body. And another thing is that mentally you should be ready that you are eliminating. So don't really focus on detox, focus more on eliminating. For example, if you have a tub full of toxins and you're swirling in it and you don't let the drain, you don't unplug the drain, it's definitely the toxins are going from one part to another part of the tub. The same goes on in your body. And to be relaxed, mentally relaxed. Now our primitive nervous system, they really tell us that whether we are safe or not. Are tigers running after us, or are we sympathetically too stimulated? We are not relaxed in our body, and unless and until we're not relaxed in our bodies, in our minds, we cannot detox. We cannot detox if we're mentally not relaxed. So any emotion, any pathogen, any toxin, or any pattern, any paradigm shift which is keeping you constantly worried, I would say stop your detoxification right there and first sort that out. And then, unless you have some mental exercises where you can calm yourself and relax in your body, then go on to a real detox. So these were my tips. Number 1 was to keep the elimination routes active, focus on elimination and not detoxing on a day-to-day basis. That will put all the pesky symptoms like headaches and anxiety and chronic symptoms to not become chronic unless you're acutely not damaging your elimination routes. So and the third one is mentally prepare